They say seeing is believing. Today I am very excited because I am here to show us some of the projects that we did a month ago. We talked about pipe gardens, we talked about circular gardens, and today we have come to see how much this garden has transformed the school and the amount of food that the students are getting from this innovation. Come, let us explore together. I am Eunice Karanja and I welcome you to the Farmers Friend YouTube channel. Here we offer you practical solutions on how you can make more out of your farm regardless of where you are. Stay tuned to the end to see how this works. We came to this institution and we helped them establish the circular gardens and the pipe gardens. And we did that with my friend here, Alice from the Hillside Organic Garden.
Yes.
And welcome to the program, Alice.
Thank you. Thank you.
So today is our happy day.
Wow, yes.
How do you feel when you see this?
I feel so happy, so satisfied.
Yes.
Because, you know, Eunice, this is a whole meal.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
So people can harvest vegetables.
Yes.
Without so much contamination,
yes,
because there are no chemicals used here.
Mm-hmm.
There's no handling dirt,
yes,
you know, the way our vegetables are handled in the market.
Yes.
Throwing here and there, they are put on the floor everywhere.
Yeah.
But these ones are clean.
They are very clean.
So direct to the kitchen without contamination, and you're sure of the quality. So this is quality assurance.
Quality assurance. If those people who do their smoothies, this is what you need to do,
yes,
because you are 100% sure,
yes,
that whatever you're using to make your smoothie is safe.
Yes, and look at the space utilized. It's a very small space.
Yes.
I'm sure many people can get such space.
True.
Many people can get such space. Whether it's on your veranda, on your terrace, upstairs, I don't know, wherever.
Yeah.
Out there, back there, in front here. Such a space is affordable for many people.
And the garden is beautiful, don't you think?
Yes, it is.
It's very beautiful.
Yes,
it's beautiful to behold.
Yes.
I realized that we don't have weeds.
Yes, this is a very easy garden to manage because first of all, the way we set it up, we mulch. We mulch with rice husks.
Yes.
And that assures you there's not going to be weeds because we don't have weed seeds in there. Second, it is high.
Yeah.
So even if you have buckets, you can manage this. Anybody of any age, actually.
Yes.
Even an old woman.
Yeah.
You just come with your stool or whatever bucket, sit down and manage it. So what we have done today is very easy. We've just applied a bit of manure because
organic
we have
manure?
to keep, organic manure. We have to keep maintaining the fertility. We have actually most of the fertility already in, because you remember we used to biochar.
Yes.
But you know, green vegetables like nitrogen a lot, so we keep adding a little bit of manure, not a lot, just a little bit. We top dress manure, then we make sure it's not very compacted.
Yes.
So we put your panga and make sure there's air going in.
Yeah.
And then water. That's about it.
That's it. So you can keep your nails.
I can keep
and do your garden.
Still do this. Yes, you can still look pretty.
Yes,
and still do this. I am proof.
Yeah, you are a sure proof.
Yeah.
Somebody who wants to establish this garden.
Yes.
And we mentioned earlier in that other video, if you are new here, there is another video. This is a follow-up. We did a video showing the establishment of this garden. So if you are new here and you are wondering, how can I get this in my backyard? What do you want to tell them?
We are here for
Yes.
you.
Oh, yeah.
So we are available. We are just a call away.
Yes.
And I know in this video, you'll provide a way for us to be able to be reached.
Yes.
And we will do this for you.
All right.
Very little cost.
Yeah.
Because, of course, there will be a cost to it because of the wall. We like to use this kind of plastic that is long lasting and it is recycled. And then also because we have to formulate the soil.
Yes.
The good soil, the way we formulate it. So it's a little bit of cost, but not too much cost. Not too much cost.
Yeah.
You call us and you will see. It's very affordable.
It's affordable.
Yes.
It is manageable.
Yeah.
And if you are still too busy not to manage, we can still manage it for you. Like we came back here to see how this one is faring. Okay, your final shot. What would you like to tell our viewers about urban gardening? We are the urban food system. Dynamic duo. And what would you like to tell them?
I am passionate about this, and for one reason, it's not in vain that I'm passionate.
Yeah.
It's because I know it can change a household.
True.
It can impact a home.
Oh, yeah.
It can impact a household.
Yeah.
And when you impact one household and another one, what are you doing? You're impacting the nation.
True.
Food security, especially when it comes to vegetables. And remember, this was a neutralized land. Space.
Yeah.
So we've given value to this space and value that is beyond what money can measure, because nutrition, money cannot measure good nutrition. Vegetables like this, money cannot measure, because some people will think this is just 10 bob, 20 bob, 50 bob. No, it is more than this, because it is perpetual, it is times many days.
Yes.
And again, the quality, you can't buy this kind of quality.
You can't buy quality.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's worth.
It is worth. And the beauty.
Yes.
So if you don't have a garden, we are just a phone call away.
Yes.
We will be happy to do this for you.
Yes, sure.
Thank you, Alice.
With a smile. We will do it with a smile. Yes.
So like we mentioned earlier, this project we did at a school called St. Bakita, and we are joined here by the principal, who is going to tell us more about the project. Welcome to the show,
thank
Principal.
you. Thank you.
You can start by introducing yourself and giving us a brief background of the school.
Names are Samuel Nyaga, Principal St. Bakita. It's a school in Mukuru. So our main catchment area is Mukuru slums.
Okay.
That's the surrounding.
Okay.
So it's a school in the urban setup.
Okay. Oh, very nice. I can see there is a lot that is happening here, but maybe we can start with the project that we did, the circular gardens and the pipe gardens. What has been the impact to the learning community and to the school?
I can begin by saying to the learners, when you came and you introduced this project,
yes,
it brought a lot of curiosity. They were so curious.
Yes.
To see what is it about the pipes, what is it about the round gardens.
Yes.
They were so curious.
Yeah.
And one thing I realized with them, they got so much interested into farming out of this project.
Yes.
Those who are not so much into farming, I've seen they have gotten into it more than before.
Okay.
They're also taking care of the plants.
Yes.
And the 4K crab is also growing because of this.
Okay.
In fact, I even saw some runners who are not so active. Now you find after 3:10, once their classes are over, they rush to the gardens, they take care of the plants.
Yes.
The others even who have gone to the extent of doing the same at home.
Yes.
Not in a big scale, but in a small way.
Okay.
Where you find they tell teacher, we want some seedlings, we want to go and plant at home.
Okay.
So I see the impact it has.
Yes, yes.
It has a good positive impact.
Oh.
Yeah, and I believe if it was to spread to others,
yes,
we have begun with a few.
Yes.
But if it spreads to the others, at least most of them, they can all do something in their homes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is true. And I remember when we were checking how the gardens were doing, we asked how many have established gardens. And we had a number of students raising their hands and they have established
they are doing
gardens. Yeah.
And they are coming and telling me, Maureen, we have put some gardens in our home.
Yes.
And it's good.
Yeah, it is very exciting.
It is very exciting.
And it gives them food security.
Yeah, a big one.
Yeah.
A big one.
I also see that you've got other innovations. I can see some other gardens here. I can see some multi-story gardens. I can see a lot of fruit trees.
Yeah.
Maybe you can explain to us how this is to the feeding program of the pupils.
Yeah, actually, when we began the program,
yes,
the thing I realized we didn't have were fruits.
Yes.
So if you move around, you realize that we have fruit trees almost everywhere. Somehow we get some food, but they didn't have fruit. So I asked myself, what can we do so that in the future, they cannot be able to get a fruit?
Yes.
And we thought if we plant fruit trees all around the school compound,
yes,
you realize we have very small portions. They are very small.
Yes.
So we did bananas, we did avocados, we did pawpaws, we've done passions, all around sugarcane, mangoes.
Yeah.
So, and I hope within the next 2 years,
yes,
I'm very optimistic, within the next 2 years, we shall be having a fruit for a child.
A fruit for a child?
Yes, a fruit for a child.
Within a very small space?
A very small place, you can see. It's very small.
So do they eat the fruits here, or you give them to the fruits plus the vegetables? Do they feed on those ones here, or they carry them to their homes?
Now for the fruits, what we do, we have the social office.
Yes.
Once they are ready, like bananas, we get the bananas.
Yes.
We harvest. Then we give them to the social office. They'll decide which class are they going to give.
Yes.
Because there are so many. We have over 1,000.
Yeah.
So maybe if there are 2 bananas, they can decide this time we are going to give 2 classes.
Yes.
And they get them very well.
Yeah.
And you see now, when they get these bananas, they're able to take care of them.
Yes.
So they own it.
Yeah.
They know these bananas are not for anybody. These are own.
They are our own bananas.
Own banana.
Yeah.
So they even the ownership.
Yes.
Of whatever is, they take care of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I can see even the discipline, because you can walk around, see passion, see the tomatoes that are ready and nobody touches.
They don't, because they know it belongs to them. When they get ready, they know they'll be harvested. And one class for sure, 1 or 2 classes will be given.
Okay.
Yeah, that is how we do.
Oh, that is very nice. How do you think the program that you have is impacting food security in their homes, considering where you said many of them are coming from?
I believe if we can impact the same skills that they are gaining here,
yes,
and even more so through like these kind of projects, they may not be they may be technical, but we can try to simplify them.
Yes.
In their homes. They have a small space.
Yes.
If that space they plant the seedlings, they may not be able to do it at home. We can provide them with the seedlings in school.
Okay.
If they do that,
I can assure you that this will increase the food security.
Okay.
And if we start at very small level,
Yes.
It continues.
True.
We also send the same message to others.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the uptake continues.
It continues. And within a short time, you may find that maybe we were thinking in the cities we cannot do any farming.
Mm-hmm.
And we realize we can do.
Yeah, we can.
And it will
you are a witness. We can witness. We can witness that you are growing food here.
And so you can imagine, there are those ones with so much land. So if they are to see that here there's limited land, yet there's so much.
Yeah.
What if they do what we are doing?
Okay. It is true.
Yeah. In a small way.
We can do much.
We can do much.
With a small intervention.
Yeah.
So the pupils carry food.
Yeah.
They carry some of the vegetables and take to their homes.
Yes, they do it.
You can explain to us about that, Ina?
Yeah, now what we do, for example, spinach is ready.
Yeah.
It will be harvested. And then we shall, of course, begin with those who are active.
Okay, active.
The active members.
The ones who are taking care of the
gardens.
Yes.
Now, they will share. They are shared for.
Yes.
So a number of runners are given. They go with them to their home. And you can imagine a runner going with spinach, very fresh, tells the parents, oh, mom, today I brought you
spinach.
How would the parent feel?
It's very exciting.
It's very exciting. It's very
and
exciting.
when he would say he wants to establish a kitchen garden,
yes,
the mother will see where that is coming from.
And they'll support.
True. The role of 4K Club.
Yeah.
What do you see the role of 4K Club in this? And maybe you can also talk about what other schools can pick from what you are doing here in your school.
Yeah, 4K Club is doing well. It was introduced by the Ministry of Agriculture.
Yes.
It was reintroduced.
Yes,
Reintroduced.
Yeah.
It was still there, but
it was
reintroduced.
Yeah.
Actually, it is geared towards increasing the food security.
Yeah.
Because if we can train the learners when they are very young.
Yes.
And they also change the mentality that, we cannot handle soil. Then it changes the perspective for the future.
Yeah.
And I can assure you the food security will increase.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the role of the 4K Club.
And here it has been active in running this program.
Extremely active. Extremely active.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would you tell other schools as far as food production in the school compound is concerned?
Yeah, what I can tell other schools, I know they are doing at their own level. What I would tell them is that there's what we can do.
Yes.
There's what we can do with what we have.
What we have.
There's what we can do with what we
have.
And we all have something. We all have a small space.
Yes.
We all have containers. Like you can see right in front of us there, there's ballast.
Yeah.
And there are containers which are there.
And the students are waiting to plant.
They are waiting to plant.
Yeah.
So you can see. So there's no school you tell me that will lack a small space, right?
Like this one.
That.
Yeah.
And if they do it successfully in the school,
yes,
they'll do the same in their homes.
True.
Yeah.
The uptake will continue growing.
So we can do something with what we
have. We talk
and if we do that, that is where now we find well-wishers like you people.
Yes.
Will come to do what? To help us.
To help.
Yes, are you seeing?
Yeah.
But if we do nothing, we say we have no land, we have no seedlings, we have nothing.
You have no passion.
We have no passion. You see, we'll just be there.
Yeah.
But you see, when you do something, I strongly believe that somehow God in his own ways bring people who can help
to support
you.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sana Mwalimu.
Yeah,
Keep doing what you are doing.
Yeah.
We are excited to see a lot of food growing.
Yeah.
We are excited to see the uptake.
Yeah.
Now these containers will soon be planted with food, and this is an indication that the students, the administration has bought into the idea.
Yeah, thank you so much.
The landscape of food, even in their homes from where they are coming from, will be very different.
It will be different.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep doing your thing.
Thank you so much for the support. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
We came here a month ago and we trained the pupils on urban food systems and how you can grow food right where you are. And today I stand here very excited as I see the sack garden, the container gardens. They have improvised every material that they have to grow food here in the school compound. You can also do it where you are. Stay tuned to the Farmer's Friend YouTube channel. If you'd want to establish a garden like this, leave a comment and we will help you how to do exactly that. See you in the next episode and stay blessed.